Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 8th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 15th chapter of Night Sky. In previous video already we have discussed about that the inner planets like Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. But students, today we are going to discuss about that outer planet like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay, so students, first of all we will discuss about that what is that Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet of our solar systems. It is near about, if you compare that 1300 Earth, if you will mix and if you will keep that, it will be inside of the Jupiter. The very large planet. If you compare to the other, that is the first planet, means highest that mass of that Earth, mass of that Jupiter. Okay, so if 1300 Earth if you will mix, then equal to that mass of that what Jupiter. So it is very largest planet. Okay, it has also 67 satellites. How many satellites? 67 natural satellites are there of Jupiter. As but Earth is comparing how only one satellite. So if you will see that sum of the distance, how much distance are there? 4 planets. If you will add that all distance, then equal the distance which one that Jupiter is from the Sun. So we will discuss thoroughly what about that Jupiter and what about that Saturn, what about that Uranus, what is that Neptune in this video. So first of all discuss about that what is that Jupiter, then we will discuss Saturn as usual. Okay, so see students, what is that Jupiter? It is the largest planet of our solar system. In the largest planet, whatever that how that 8 planets are there, if you compare, सबसे ज़्यादा बड़ा कौन है? Large Jupiter है. It is so large that about 1300 Earth can be placed in it, and it is the most less energy as compared to the first 4 planets. How much energy, how much sunlight we are getting that first 4 planets? That much compared to that, it is planet that Jupiter is getting very less energy, very less sunlight. It has a large red spot on its surface, which is actually giant storm. It was, there is one big spot is there that is called as also giant storm. In that there is in the surface there is one what spot is there. It has a faint rings around it. I already have told you in the outer planets all have been that one rings. Okay, one faint rings like one covering like that is there, rings like it. It is there. If you will see that in picture also, you can easily identify all that outer planets having there is one rings around the planets. It has a faint rings around it. It has 67 known satellites. How many satellites are there? Highest, that means 67 known satellites. Till today, if you will check that the scientists discovered that 67 satellites are revolving around that Jupiter. So there, that means 67 natural moons are there of a Jupiter. Now we will discuss about that what is that Sunny. And its name was also Brihaspati, and the second name is called as Sunny. Sunny Graha already you know that very well, everybody students. So but what is that? Now it is also second largest planet. If you compare that 8 planets, सबसे बड़ा कौन है? बृहस्पति. सबसे छोटा कौन है? Mercury. Okay, and the second largest is the Sunny. And the distance of the Saturn from the Sun almost double the distance of Jupiter. That means Sun is way more distance from the Sun. Okay, Jupiter, how much distance is there? From that double again. That means middle of that Jupiter is the middle of the distance of the what Sunny. Saturn is the second largest planet of our solar system. It is a very cold planet because if Jupiter not getting that much energy or sun energy, same like it is more distance, double distance who is Sunny. So totally that means a more cold planet because that sunlight it is not reaching to that near to the where Sunny. So that's why it is very cold planet. It appears yellow in color. But that color, if you will see that it is color is how like yellow in color. Okay, and it has 53 natural satellites. How many satellites are there? 53 satellites. Should remember students, Earth having 1 satellite, Mars having 2 satellites, Jupiter having 67 satellites, and Saturn having 53 natural satellites till today discovered. Okay, so next we will discuss about that what is that Uranus and Neptune. Okay. So now look at here students, this is the 7th planet, that is the Uranus. Uranus means Indra. Okay, and this we can say that this is Varun. So it is the third largest planet. The first largest planet of our solar system, that is the Jupiter. Second largest is the Saturn, and third largest is what is that? Uranus. Okay. So this Uranus is the third largest planet of our solar system. It rotates east to west. How like the Venus is rotating from the east to west, same like Venus, as like Venus, same like that Uranus also rotates from the east to west, and it has also 27 moons. Okay, how many moons are there? 27 moons or 27 satellites are there. Okay, so students, it is very coldest planet also, because it is very far distance from the sun, and it revolves around the sun is very large years, light years are there. So if you compare to that other planet, it is very low temperature, that means very like a ice planet like it. Okay, so this is, it is called as also Indra. Okay, and it is the third largest planet. Now we will discuss about that Neptune. Neptune, other name is called as Varun, and it is the 8th planet of our order, like the distance from the sun. So first what is that? Mercury, Venus, Earth, next Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, 7. Next 8th planet. From serial, if you distance wise if you write, then 8th planet is called as what? Neptune. Okay, this Neptune is the 8th planet. It has very low temperature in the surface. It has 14 satellites. How many satellites are there? 14, 1-4. And the ring system of this planet not well developed. I already have told the outer planets there is one ring structure, but especially if you think that about that Neptune is there but not well developed, as like Saturn, as like Jupiter, as like Uranus. That Neptune is there the rings but not well developed. So whole about this, all that planets already I have explained. So 8 planets, students, you should remember, and what are the features about that planets you should remember and write in your notebook also. Okay students, next we will discuss about that, what is that constellation, what is that comets, what is that asteroids in the next video. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.